what is this? Well, one, it's going to be another giveaway. But two, let's talk about the new Galeforce G3 6-inch that you can get in 4 ohm and 8 ohm. And they're making 8-inch that you can get in 4 ohm and 8 ohm. Neo push button terminal, super loud and clear like all your Galeforce products. The difference is these aren't waterproof. These are made for the bangers and the bikes and the car audio and everybody else that wants super loud, super clean with a ton of slap. They're also doing some new grills. Yes, these are 3D printed, so they're not perfect, but they are getting a mold done. But they're supplying grills that will fit these G3s and also the F3s. Now, these will be available next month, so we're opening pre-orders now. But the best way to open a pre-order or a new product is to give some away. And I got a set right here, a 6-inch, 4 ohm, with a set of grills that you can sand down and paint whatever color you wanted. And we're gonna do a giveaway. And how do we do the giveaways? Well, you gotta like this video, comment your name, location, why you should win. You have to share it out on social media, tag Big Jeff Audio. And then for us to get your information, just text G3 to 737 Big Jeff. That's 737-244-5333. Once you text G3 to that number, you'll get a response telling you entered, and guess what? You're in. Now, when are we picking the winner? Well, this one is going to be really soon. It's next Tuesday, November 19th on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast. We got the guys on from Liberty Base who showed me so much love on their podcast. Said, come on mine. I want my people to meet your people. 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to have the guys on there, and we're going to announce the giveaway winner for the set of these with the grills. So, it's giveaway time. Go ahead and leave that comment, like, and share this out, and then go ahead and text G3 to 737-244-5333. And we'll pick out a lucky winner. And then I want to see you on the Big Sound by Big Jeff next Tuesday. That's the 19th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time to come hang out with me, my guys, and the Liberty Base guys. And also to find out who won this crazy loud set, man. I can't wait to get these on the bench. These just look insane. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com doing another giveaway. Go Galeforce.